Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February 26th, 2024, and what we're doing here is the Tosca onions that we used to grow. We can't find the seeds for them anymore, so we had one that was left in the garden from we had a Tosca onion from last year, and we got the seeds off of it. So right now we're separating the chaff from the actual seeds. Now your chaff is all the brown stuff on there, and then your seeds are the black. Onion seeds sort of look like carnation seeds in a way. I was just actually looking at them and it's like, they look a lot like carnation seeds. But
smell like onions. They're
onion seeds. And we're going to be planting them in these seed snails. Now we've never used seed snails before, and I'll have a video showing how to actually put seed snails together. It's something new that we're trying, and I'll show you what a seed snail looks like here. So these are seed snails here, and the idea is that they hold a whole lot more seeds than what your 4-packs do, and you're supposed to be able to put a lot of seeds in them, and you're supposed to have really nice seedlings out of them. So we're going to try this and see how it works. So right now we're just trying to get the seeds out of the pods themselves. So we're going to try some screen door mesh here, or window screen mesh, and see if it won't help separate the chaff out. So these here are pretty much sifted out. You can see it still does have some of the chaff in with it, but that's not going to hurt anything there. So we're going to get the seed snails planted up here. And these are going to get covered then with about a 1/4 inch of our seed starting mix. And then it's going to get misted on top when it goes out to the greenhouse. You want to make sure that your stuff is not sitting in water and that your seeds do not dry out as they are germinating.
These would be better sitting in a tray to do them.
Yeah, we don't have our trays down here.
That way if we drop the seeds, they'd be somewhere you could find them.
Yeah. So you can see here the seeds are on top. And then they're going to get covered. So we're getting these gently watered here. Now normally we use a mist on these. And we're going to be taking them then up to the greenhouse.
Okay, after we have them wetted down, we bring them into the greenhouse. It's a heated floor. This half is, back half is not. Just the way it was when we first built this. We only had half of it, and we added on, so that didn't get the pipe in it. So, but this floor is heated. It's about 80 some degrees. So, as you can see, we have each one of them covered. But they can get air in them, so they get some fresh air. But that's really all it is to it right now, and wait for them to come up. We did these on Friday too, and as you can see, they're already sprouted. Now these are Tosca onions, I believe they're pronounced, we collected the seeds ourselves on them. So they were cold hardy up here where we're at, because when we planted them, it was really cold. We had cold winter and they made it through, and we got them the next year, the seeds. So they were actually used to the cold, and you can see the difference between the seeds that we bought and the ones that we had ourselves. The ones we had ourselves were way ahead already of the other ones, and they were planted actually just maybe an hour later, but still yet. It's really interesting. Okay, today is March 3rd. We planted these on February the 28th. These are our Custis onions, how you pronounce them. These are what they call the snail shell rolls, I guess you want to say. But you can see how far they progressed. We had a video of them yesterday, but they really progressed since yesterday. So they came out from underneath the trays like we have here. We're bringing them up here so they don't get real tall and skinny. We're going to look at some of these other ones here, see what we got. There's a few of them coming up in that one. You can't hardly see them. Oh, here you go. Look at these. There you can see them. And these were only planted 4 days ago. Well, actually 3 days ago. I'm sorry. So, yeah, I'm going to have to actually take these out and put them up so they don't get really tall and stringly, because they will be able to go and keep going, and they're hot enough, they're germinating. So let's see what else we got here on this. Nothing in that one. Boy, they're hot. You can see them steaming. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but it's actually steaming in there. Yeah, these are up. See it back flat? Now that's going to be the hard part of them, because we have the back one and we divided these two up. These are globe onions, and them are yellow sweet Spanish back there. The globe did not start coming up yet, so we're going to have to try to figure out how we're going to do them. And these are just starting, so we're going to let them go a little longer.
Snails with the onion seedlings in it that were, the onion seeds were planted in from onion seeds that we had harvested and collected ourselves from an heirloom onion. And you can see here, would you say it's about 30 in there?
It was 30 up to here. Just
okay.
one circle.
Just one circle has about 30 plants in it. And you can see here. So the other seed snail is back here. Now that one there, we could have put more of these in. It's the first time that we ever sowed these, so we're still learning about how to do seed snails. And it was the first time we've ever tried them. So I just want to give you this quick video update on these. So they do appear to be working. You can see we still do have some more coming up here, even though this is up on the shelf and not on the heated floor. Okay, so today is March the 21st, 2025. And you can see here our seed snails are growing like crazy with our onions in them. And they are starting to branch off here, so these will be getting trimmed soon. So let's see here if I can pick this up here. Let's see what this looks like on the bottom here. Oh yeah, look at those roots on there. These are doing great. So far I really like these seed snails. And I'm going to be coming back with a video when we plant these out, because I want to get this video on so you can see how these are growing and my what I think of these seed snails. And I do plan on starting other stuff in the seed snails. I really like these. It's pretty neat how they're actually growing like this, because there's a whole lot in here and it takes up a lot less space than what these flats here are taking up. All of these here need trimmed. I have a video at the end of my channel for how to trim your onion seedlings and the benefits of it. So I just want to give you this quick video update here on how these are growing. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that ties up a new video on. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.